How to share screen on Google Meet. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Meet on your device. Make sure you're in the meeting. Then at the bottom, you'll find the arrow-like icon. Simply click on the arrow-like icon at the bottom. After you click on the button, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, you'll find three options: Chrome tab, window, or entire screen. If you want to share your entire screen, you can click on entire screen. If you want to share tab, you can just click on tab. Click on the tab you want to share, press on share. After you do this, screen will be shared. You can go to the other page and scroll through it as well. And if you want to turn it off, click on the same button. After you click on the same button, click on stop sharing and it will stop sharing. This is how to share a screen on Google Meet. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.